Well, we did get our little frontal boundary. It was in the afternoon when the winds came around the north, and we've had that shallow pool of cool pushing down towards Texas, and we've had this little low pressure area, that counterclockwise circulation enabled some of that cool air to come down. You can see a weak boundary in there. There's not enough lift or enough depth on that cold air to take our moisture skyward enough to create much in the way of anything more than sprinkles or a little precipitation. We've got a little weak ridge right in here, just a little bit of clockwise circulation. We've got a nice big low pressure area that's working in the Gulf of Alaska and extends back out into the Pacific. What we're going to see happen is this is going to put pressure on the ridge and shove it back to the south, and we'll be able to bring a little low pressure area out, tap the coldest air, which was up here north of the Hudson Bay area, and drive a pretty good cold front down here about the latter part of next week. So even though we get a cool front, it just means that the initial push is cooler than the air it's replacing, but our strongest flow is going to come up from the Gulf, so that'll be warm, moist air. So your temperatures, instead of going down, other than a little cooler tonight, are going to be higher than normal over the next few days. Satellite radar, we've had the moisture mass down over the area. There's been breaks in it. Very little precipitation. Satellite radar, not all that moisture hits the ground, but sprinkles, drizzle, and that's about it. North and northeast winds at about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Future track just gradually brings us down through the night into the 50s and 60s, and that's our cool time, because right away we're going to be warming back into the 70s tomorrow. We'll cool into the 60s tomorrow night, and that's about what we're dealing with. 58 tonight. That's our little push of the shallow, cool air. Big 70 tomorrow. Chance of precipitation, could have a little sprinkle early in the morning, but that's going to go. So what we'll do is get this cloud cover, the morning sprinkles, 70, then look what these temperatures do. There's another front that pushes towards us and runs that temperature up, but it washes out. So we're going to wait until we get into Friday night for a good strong cold front. Then we're back 40s and 60s. Chris?
All right, Bill, thanks so much. Looking good.